It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, including yesterday, and today's analysis isn't really an update. It is in some senses, but in many senses, it's just really a confirmation. So that would be the more accurate term. And the main point of confirmation here comes via the number 48 cents. Now, for those of you that have watched the past videos, you know why this is important. But if you haven't, 48 cents I've talked about is, kind of that overall area of resistance. Coming from back here, you can see the price try to make a move above it and couldn't quite do it. And then you fast forward to today, and right here during mid-afternoon, the bulls got up in that territory, but were once again rejected. So, and this just goes to show the power of charts. I'm not patting myself on the back. If you think that I've moved that red line or didn't exist, I'm not offended. I realize this is the internet. Just go back in the video archives and you can watch a video that I've done previously on this one. And you can see that I did put a line up there. And again, not patting myself on the back, but I am patting charts on the back. And this is not like I have some sort of secret strategy. No, anybody can learn how to do this stuff. You just have to put in the time and effort to learn. So 48 cents, as I talked about, you would expect it to be resistance. And today we got confirmation that that is indeed a level of resistance. Now, just because that's the case, it doesn't mean that it's impossible to ever break. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that according to the story of the chart so far, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game to not only break above that level, but stay up above it. The other area that's still somewhat giving them, problems is right here at 45 cents, which is this red line right there. Although, yeah, the price did kind of slightly close up above it, but I'm still going to consider this a level of resistance. If anything, I think the easiest way to go about it at this point would just be to call this a resistance zone that the chart is currently struggling with. But all in all, sure, the price is struggling with the resistance zone, but you look here at the 50-period simple moving average, which is a very famous technical indicator in the world of charts, and this thing has about as healthy of an upward slope to it as it gets. So as long as the price stays above that purple line, and then like I've said in past videos, the bulls are in total control of the chart. So yeah, they're struggling on a very short-term basis, but from a bigger picture perspective, again, going back to that purple line, the bulls are still in full control. So tomorrow and the remainder of this week should be quite interesting. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.